Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Reliance, and in this channel, I make fashion vlogs, lifestyle, and also sewing tutorials. So anyways, guys, into this video, we're gonna be making this cute backless dress that I've been sitting on my Pinterest board for a very long time. So yeah, guys, I love this dress, but I've had the opportunity to make one for myself. So guys, we're gonna be making one together today. So guys, this is the fabric that I'm going to be using. I already cut out the pieces, the front and the back. And this is a very light Ankara fabric. So I'm going to be using this one for the dress. Guys, I've had this fabric for a very long time. And I was like, okay, I think this fabric is going to be good for this dress. So anyways, without further ado, let's start making this dress. It's a quick explanation. So this is a normal backless dress. Guys, there's something I'm going to be doing in mind that I've seen on TikTok and here on YouTube. So we're going to be having like a tube like at the front part, just like this. So I'm gonna show you like how to make this. So we're gonna be including that in this one. So it's not just gonna be like your regular backless dress because I want some form of support. So guys, this is the back piece of the dress and this is the front part of the dress. So y'all, I'm gonna be cutting a rectangle piece for the bust tube. And guys, I ended up cutting some straps for the dress. So I'm gonna be sewing on the neckline to create a channel where the strap can pass through. At this point, I realized that I ran out of red thread, and yeah, so we're gonna be using black. Anyways, let's start sewing. And yeah, I already pinned out the neckline, so I'm just gonna stitch that side down and then we can work on this. Let me show y'all. We can work on this. So we're just going to be having an elastic up here and down here, so it's gonna kind of like scrunch up, you know, like a tube kind of stuff, but a backless tube. I don't know if that actually makes sense. Yeah, I mean, guys, this is actually my first time doing something like this, so just in case I mess up, you know, we're in this together. Okay, so yeah, let's start sewing. So guys, I'm done like making this you know, the tube for the front side. So yeah. So I actually ended up like doing just one stitch. Can y'all see that? I couldn't actually fold it because the fabric that I had was just not enough and it was gonna be shorter than this. So yeah. So this is actually just what we want. So we're just gonna put some elastic over here, and we're just gonna put some elastic in these channels that we made, and we can attach this to the front part of the dress. Yeah, we're just gonna be attaching the sides together, like to the sides of the dress. I am kind of like confused, and I'm trying to see how this is gonna work. Yeah, I think I need to put the elastic first on the channels before I attach that to the dress. Yes. And I'm just gonna sew on the strings for this dress. Not strings, like the rope, the strap. I'm sorry, y'all. So I'm just gonna sew on the straps also for the dress, and I'm gonna attach the straps to the neckline. And yeah, this is like a very simple dress, y'all. Like it is literally that simple. But anyways, we're just gonna attach the elastics to this thing first, then attach it to the front parts, and then yeah. Okay, guys, so here's the elastic that I'm using. This is a small elastic because, yeah, that is actually what we need to, attach this. So we're just going to attach that. So guys, what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm just going to secure the sides of this elastic, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then repeat the same process on the lower parts. This is what we have after sewing, the backless tube. So this is the vision right here. This is what we want. So this is gonna be going at the front part of the dress, but like, you know, guys, so this is the front part of the dress, and then this is gonna be coming from, the inside of the dress. This is what the strap looks like. I am done, and I just finished pressing them. Just gonna start like passing them through this channel for the neckline, and just crunch this up. So yeah, that is basically what I'm gonna be doing right now. So guys, I made my straps like extra super long because I like my straps like very long. Yeah, because I can do whatever I want with it when it's super long. But if it's short, it is just not like, nice. It depends actually. But this particular dress, I wanted the strap to be very long. So yeah, I can just, play around with it. So yeah.
So what I'm doing right here is marking where I want the tube to start from. So y'all, I joined the back and the front piece together, and this is what the dress looks like right now. This is so pretty, guys. I love this dress.
The back side of this dress, like this dress is totally cute. This dress like totally ate electrochrome. Cause like guys, this is my first scandalous dress that I'm wearing. So, but I don't actually know what I'm gonna do, where I'm gonna wear this to, because it is a lot like it is very open at the back. But let me show you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I actually love how this dress came out. I love it so much. So guys, I'm on Instagram and TikTok. I do post most of my short videos over there. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace. Yeah.